brand spanking new 2023 Golf GTI. This thing is a sweet ride. Got the sick Borla S-Type going on there. This thing's gonna get the full cap back from front to back. Basically unbolt it right here. Get rid of this resonator, get rid of this small piping, get rid of this muffler. We're slapping a full Borla S-Type on there. This is the Borla resonator. Got the baffle, got the sick baffle. Looking crazy in there, bro. So yeah, man, I can't wait to hear what this thing sounds like. You got the polished stainless tips, the brushed aluminum finish on there. I think those look great. That's a new addition to Borla. They haven't really introduced these until recently. I think they look phenomenal on the GTIs. And then you got the Borla S-Type muffler in the midsection. So then it splits to the Y-pipe for a high flow, maximize efficiency Borla system, baby. And then on top of that, we got an AFE air intake. So we're gonna weight this thing up. GTI, 4-cylinder turbo. Let's turn it into a beast, guys. Got the Borla system installed. We're just mocking up the tips. These things look pretty fly. Got the brushed aluminum finish to the Y, 3-inch all the way through. Borla S-Type. I mean, dude, just a crispy system. 3-inch all the way. Got this Borla baffle, patented Borla technology, man. So if you see this on any other system, report them immediately. All right, report them. Snitch on these suckers. You're not allowed to do this. This is patented Borla technology. Got the Borla resonator, got the adapter to connect to the stock system. Later on, he might go with a high flow downpipe. And when we drop it, we're gonna crank it for you so you can hear what the Borla sounds like. And we got AFE air intake going on. So stay tuned, guys. AFE, baby. Got the Stage 2 Momentum GT, AFE, V-dub. All right? Slapping air intakes on cars, guys. Let's open the box and see what it looks like. Fuck all that shit. Boom. Got the AFE. Let's rip it out the plastic. That's Marcelo's favorite song. This thing looking crispy. This is a new design from AFE. This is for the 23 GTIs. I think it fits some Golfs, some GTIs, some Passats, all other kinds of VWs. This might even fit some Audis. Got the same engine. We also got tube. What y'all know about tube? Sheesh. Look at that baby. Super clean, really crispy. Got the VIN, part number. And we got filtration. Sweet air filter. That thing's gonna maximize some performance, guys. Torque, acceleration, everything. And then we got miscellaneous. What y'all know about that miscellaneous? All AFEs come with an instruction manual. That's for amateurs. That's if you're doing this in your garage and you've never done an air intake, you need this. We don't ever even open this box. Out of here. Stock air intake, got Marcelo making all the noise in the world. He's oblivious. Like he didn't have his phone here. Stock air intake, completely restrictive, all right? Complete garbage. This is not making any power. This is just making the car breathe, all right? We're trying to make it breathe gooder, guys. We got AFE going on there. So I'm gonna get this sweet air filter. All right, shout out to Mike. Got a bag of miscellaneous, like I said. And just upgrading the tube, more airflow in, better airflow out. Gonna make the exhaust sound better, gonna make the car perform better. Torque, acceleration, horsepower, everything. Bitch rate goes up. Golf GTI done. Borla cap back installed. Sounds crispy. Got the AFE Stage 2 air intake on there. This thing should be producing about 30 horsepower. I think it's a great setup for a car. You just buy a brand new car like this. Super quick bolt-ons, easy upgrades. Car's still under factory warranty, and you get a little bit more horsepower. So you want reliability, you want real credible parts, you go Borla, AFE. You hit us up at gexhaust.com. you hit us up Davie, Oakland Park, you DM us on Instagram, hit us up on YouTube. We got all the resources for you guys. So you're trying to save some money, wholesale parts, wholesale prices, we got you. Reach out to us. GHS out, guys.